When it comes to land surveying in Bhubaneswar, the services of a government land surveyor are highly sought after. A government land surveyor is a professional who specializes in accurately measuring and mapping out land boundaries and features. They play a crucial role in ensuring the proper development and utilization of land resources. In Bhubaneswar, one of the leading companies offering land surveying services is Scon Design India Private Limited. With their expertise and experience in the field, they have established themselves as a trusted name in the industry. A government land surveyor in Bhubaneswar is responsible for conducting surveys to determine the precise locations of property boundaries, as well as identifying any encroachments or disputes. They use advanced surveying equipment and techniques to measure distances, angles, and elevations with great accuracy. This information is then used to create detailed maps and legal descriptions of the land. These maps are vital for various purposes such as property transactions, construction projects, infrastructure development, and land use planning. Scon Design India Private Ltd is known for its professionalism and commitment to delivering high-quality land surveying services in Bhubaneswar. With a team of skilled and experienced surveyors, they are able to handle projects of all sizes and complexities. They understand the importance of adherence to legal and ethical standards in their work and ensure that all surveys are conducted in compliance with the regulations set by the government. Their expertise extends to various types of surveys, including topographic surveys, boundary surveys, cadastral surveys, and construction staking. They also offer services such as GPS surveys, digital mapping, and 3D modeling, using the latest technology to enhance the precision and efficiency of their work. If you are in need of a government land surveyor in Bhubaneswar, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. As a leading surveying company in the region, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers comprehensive land surveying services to both private and government clients. With a team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors, they are equipped to handle all types of land surveying projects with precision and efficiency. As a government land surveyor, Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of accuracy and reliability in their work. They possess the necessary knowledge and expertise to conduct surveys that meet the requirements and standards set by the government. Whether it is for boundary surveys, topographic surveys, or construction layout surveys, they have the skills and technology to deliver accurate results. Scon Design India Private Ltd utilizes advanced surveying equipment and software to ensure precise measurements and data collection. Their team of surveyors is well versed in using cutting-edge technology such as GPS, total stations, and laser scanners to capture detailed information about the land. This allows them to provide clients with comprehensive reports and maps that are essential for decision-making and planning purposes. One of the key advantages of hiring Scon Design India Private Ltd as your government land surveyor is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They prioritize clear communication and collaboration with their clients to understand their specific needs